Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Helping me count down to Christmas with the Crafter's Companion Advent Calendar. It is beautiful, and the treasures inside behind these doors so far have been amazing. So we're going to open it tonight and count down, open door 10 as we count down to Christmas. So don't forget December 1st video. Go over there and check it out and enter the giveaway to win one of these. The drawing is December 24th. You can enter every day. Just follow the rules and put the keyword in the comments. So hope you will enter, and let's jump in. Okay, let's open the door. I cannot wait for door 10. Door 10 is right here, right where these presents are. So you know they got to be presents for me. Presents. So let's see what it is. I don't know what it is. It's a big door, right? So let's look. Let's look. It is, it's an embossing folder. This is a really cool one that you can use for all kinds of things. It is the wood look. So really, really cool. Emboss, deboss. Very fun. So let's see what we can do with this for Christmas. Okay, I am loving decor lately, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to take the little embossing folder, and we're going to run it through on this, on some white paper. And I need 6 of them, approximately, because I'm going to take a frame from Dollar Tree. It says This Is Us, but I'll just cover that up, and with the white. So I'm going to use it this way. And this is Little Angel from Dollar Tree. So this is really kind of a Dollar Tree DIY combined with opening our door. And this angel will be in here featured as the prime focal point of this really pretty decor piece. And we'll probably decorate it up a little bit and use some lights, maybe. We'll see. So what I need to do, really and truly, to get them all the same is I'm going to have to cut these down and piece them in. And that's okay. I don't mind. The embossing folder is actually a little less than 3. It's 2 3/4 by 2 3/4 square. So I'm going to cut 6 of those and run them through my Gemini. I have all my pieces cut that I need. It's more than I need, but I want it to fit on there, and we'll trim it. This is some wax. It is the like gilding wax that you can put on different surfaces for your crafting. You don't use much. Matter of fact, you wipe most of it off your finger. And I have this one piece I was testing some glitter paste on. So I just want to bring out the emboss on the, the wood look. So I don't want a lot of color, and I definitely don't want it to look, I don't know, I don't want it to look dirty. Because it's for an angel, I do have some glitter paste, and I'm just putting a little bit and going over, just because it is an angel. I don't know that I would put glitter on wood normally, but now this is my piece that will fit inside the frame. And I just want to arrange these on here to, they're gonna just like be the background. So I have more than enough to fit on, and I just have to decide how I want to place them. So if I start kind of, you're going to see, which I don't really like, you're going to see the seams. But I think if I work it pretty good, I think it will be all right. All right, so I need to put glue on here, and I'm just going to put some tacky glue and run over it with like a little brush, foam brush. So I'm just going to take, and it's not going to see through. I checked it already. So I'm just going to take the glue, brush it on, and then I'm going to lay my pieces. So I don't really need to overdo the glue, but I do want to make sure it covers the whole frame. So we're going over this whole frame with it. Okay, so I'm going to set that out of the way and then just start laying my pieces on here how I want them. So if I want to, I'm just going to place the one that fits exactly on here and then fill in the other ones. Now one thing too, the paste and the glitter paste and the gilding wax, they dry pretty quickly because you're not really using very much. So let's see, I can do it that way and just line it up. Now tacky glue tacks up the longer it is exposed to air. Oh, that one's too much. So we'll just do this one here. So that's really good actually. I think this is going to be okay. All right, so then we're going to put this one here. Just want my seams to line up somewhat. We'll see how it turns out. With the angel in front of it, it may not be that noticeable. And of course the design in here as well. Okay, so we want to let this dry a bit and then we'll trim it. Okay, well, we're going to see how this goes. So I've got my self-healing mat here. I'm just taking my cutting blade and going over the edges of my paper. There we go. Make sure I didn't cut anything I needed, huh? And then just this little bit went over like that. Okay, so there's my background. It's different. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. All right, so then we've got this cute little angel from the Dollar Tree. And we're going to put the angel on the background like this. And really and truly, the seams to me don't stand out that much. Do they to you? Let's see how this fits in here. Make sure the angel fits correctly. I love the angel, but the background, I mean, that's what you use embossing folders for anyway, as a background. Okay, so let's do this. Okay. Then we're going to put the angel in here. So I just wanted to make sure. I might bring her down all the way to the bottom. And it will be 3D, so. All right, so we're going to put glue all the way down the back here. And try to avoid, now this is hot glue, of course, and this is metal. So just be aware of that. Because metal will get hot, and I don't know, maybe I should put some on the wings. We've got some kind of rainstorm here tonight. Okay, so we're going to bring her down here. And push that glue in. And then we're giving her that beautiful background. Sorry, I had her off camera a little bit. It's very like rustic looking, but yeah, pretty. All right, I have some of these pearls, and I was debating on whether to bring them around, you know, the frame, or even inside the frame. I don't know, you know, like I don't know if I want that. I think it would look good Let's see what the gold trim would look like. So silver and gold. Would gold trim look good? I mean, you can't really see it. Let's see. I do have some lights that I set aside to try. And I love lights on everything. But then I can't really glue these in, you know. But maybe I could do a little glue. I don't know. So they would be inside. They're kind of long for this frame. I don't know. Might could do like a little and go around a couple times. Let me play with it a little bit. Okay, I did it. I did it. I'm really not going to do anything else to it. I think I could put a bow, but I think I might leave it too. It's beautiful. I put the lights all around and then inside this angel, and I'm in love with it. It turned out amazing. Do you think, let me know what you think. Do you think I should put a bow, maybe a bow here or something? And we could try it. So let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching. Love how this turned into a Christmas decor with the embossing folder. So let's see what size window or door is 11. All right, I fool even myself sometimes with these crafts. I have to laugh. Okay, door 11 is up here, I believe. This is door 11. It's not as big as the other doors. I bet you there's a stamp behind it. What do you think? I think there's going to be a stamp behind it, and I have no idea what I'm going to do with it. But I don't know what it is, so we'll find out. And thanks so much for watching. Countdown to Christmas with me every day this month till the 24th, of course. And then I'll do the drawing for door 24. By the way, door 24 is this big door on the back. So I think I have an idea what's in there. But this is for door 10. Do you like it? All right. Thanks for watching.